तमाहु परमां गतिम यम प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम। स अव्यक्त अक्षर इति उक्तः, एज इन 12/3 of गीता जी, ये तो अक्षर अनिर्देश्यम अव्यक्तम पर्युपास्ते, एज इन 15/16 of गीता जी, कूटस्थोक्षर उच्यते इत्यादिषु तम वेदविदः परमां गतिम आहु अयम एव। It is said that avyakt had been stated, this named as, termed as akshara also, and this akshar or avyakt had been known as paramagati by the scholars of Vedas, as it is said in 8/13, yah prayati tyajan deham sa yati paramam gatim। इत्यत्र परमगति शब्द निर्दिष्ट अक्षर प्रकृति संसर्ग वियुक्त स्वरूपेण अवस्थित आत्मा इत्यर्थ। Here the akshar which has been termed or named as paramgati, it means that the atma which is in a condition totally freed from bondages with materialistic world. Now let's see how भाष्यकार is explaining this thing. यम एवं भूतम स्वरूपेणावस्थितम प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्मम परमम धाम। When such atma is able to attain avyakta, then that person, that jiva, never returns from that paramdham. Such place is known as paramdham, paramam niyamana sthanam. That is the main place from where this total world is controlled, regulated. Acetan prakriti ekam niyaman sthanam. One controlling power is the jada prakriti, the materialistic world. तत् संसृष्ट रूपा जीव प्रकृति द्वितीयम नियमन स्थानम अचित संसर्ग वियुक्तम स्वरूपेण अवस्थितम मुक्त स्वरूपम परमम नियमन स्थानम इत्यर्थ। The another controlling system, another controlling place is the prakriti, is the jiva, and that jivatma is the another place by which the world is controlled, and that is defined here, explained that the jivatma which is freed from the bondages of the materialistic world, the natural other bondages, is the param, is the supreme controlling system from where the world is controlled. Tacha apunaravritti rupam, and that is, you can say, that is freed from the cycle to return in this world again and again. That is freed from the cycle of life and death. There is no U-turn in there. Athava prakashavachi dham shabda. Here dhama paramam. Here it is said dham. Dham word has been used in reference to light. Prakasha cha iha jnanam. Light of what? Light of knowledge. अभिप्रेतम प्रकृति संसृष्टात् परिच्छिन्न ज्ञान रूपात् आत्मना अपरिच्छिन्न ज्ञान रूपतया मुक्त स्वरूपम परमधाम. It means that the atma which is covered by the blanket of agyan, it gets freed from that cover, and that atma is having the imperishable Gyan with itself, means the Gyan which is Sanatan, the real Gyan, that Atma gets attached with that real Gyan. So, Nivartante tad dhamam paramam. So, this is also one meaning of an Atma to attain that paramdham, means the Atma is to attain, Atma attains the form of real actual Gyan, real actual knowledge. Jnanina prapyam tu tasmat atyant vyaktam idya. Now, the Paramapurusha Bhagavan, which is to be attained by Jnani, this is being explained in the 22nd mantra, and we should be very careful.